Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come and bring an unboxing with ISEEHAIR. This is not sponsored. I paid for this out of pocket and I was just impressed with the packaging. I'm assuming I ordered from their luxury line. It says Princess Luxury Hair. Maybe that's why the packaging is so nice. So you get a box and then you get your instructions. On the inside, it gives you instructions on how you can get a coupon to get free hair. It gives you the do's and don'ts. I ordered the 18-inch Malaysian, the color in natural, and hopefully the hairline is really good. Like I said, I was really impressed with the packaging. The shipping was great. So another gift is a bonnet and it's really cute. Pink's one of my favorite colors. It's very nice, very soft. That band looks very protective. And then you have your eye covering for when you sleep at night. I don't need all that, but I mean, it's cute, right? So then you have your edge holder, I guess that's what you call it. So, if you don't have an edge scarf, they gave you that. And then you have your little brush tool for your edges. And a nice little, okay, all right, I may or may not use these eyelashes, but they're cute. I appreciate all the freebies. That's good with me. And then there's a little bag just to keep your wig and also a stocking cap. So thank you so much.